You may have seen Odalit Teeth Restoration Powder advertised as a natural way to whiten teeth, freshen breath, and even support enamel health. But is it legit, or is Odalit just another scam? Let's take a closer look. Odalit is a tooth powder made with ingredients like activated charcoal, baking soda, mint, and other natural compounds. These ingredients are commonly found in oral care products and may help remove surface stains and neutralize odors. Some users report whiter teeth and fresher breath after using it, while others say the results are minimal compared to traditional whitening methods. It's important to note that while the ingredients are generally safe, overuse of abrasive powders like Odalit can potentially damage tooth enamel over time. Always consult your dentist before switching from regular toothpaste, especially if you have sensitive teeth or existing dental issues. If this review helped you decide whether to try Odalit Teeth Restoration Powder, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.